If you have a house in Mineral Ridge, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Mineral Ridge, Ohio. And the reason people like working with us instead of working with like a traditional type of buyer is we're going to buy the house as is. So there's no work you need to do whatsoever, no trips to the Home Depot, no handyman, no money out of your pocket to fix anything. We'll truly buy it in its as-is condition. You don't even got to clean. You don't got to pull out the paper towels and the Windex. You don't got to pull out the broom and the dustpan. We're going to buy the house truly, truly, truly as is. Been buying houses in and around Mineral Ridge for over 14 years, so we could buy your house. There's nothing we haven't seen. Don't be embarrassed. Sometimes people say, I don't want you looking at my stuff. We're not looking at your stuff. In fact, anything that you want to take out of the house, just take it. Anything that you don't want, just leave it behind and we'll take care of it for you. There's nothing you need to do to fix, and there's nothing you need to haul away. We'll buy the house truly in its as-is condition, and I'll tell you what allows us to buy the house as is we're a cash buyer. Not like a traditional buyer that's using a mortgage loan, because the ones using the mortgage loan, they got to send this thorough inspector through. And the thorough inspector is going to scrutinize the house. It's very intrusive. They're going to test every outlet and test every light switch and ceiling fan and open and close all the doors and the windows, compile pages and pages of everything wrong with your house, and that could only be used against you to try to renegotiate or get an extension. And then if you survive the inspection with these traditional buyers, now they're going to send their appraiser through. The appraiser is oftentimes worse than the inspector because the appraiser works for the bank, and the bank has their own best interests in mind, not your best interests. They can pull the rug out from this thing anytime and just cancel on you, and now you're right back to square one. You wasted all this time. Days and days have gone by, 30 days, 60 days. You're just tied up in this crazy situation, right? All of this is avoidable. Sell to a direct buyer. We have hundreds of references and referrals and positive reviews, and I'm sure we can buy your house in Mineral Ridge, and we're going to treat you fairly. We're locals. This is not some call center that's located in some foreign distant land. We are going to treat you like a neighbor because that's how you deserve to be treated, and we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, great. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands and part as friends. There's no pressure. There's no fake urgency or anything like that. So if you got a house in Mineral Ridge or anywhere in the area, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we were founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Mineral Ridge, and I know we're familiar with you as well. We can work very well with you. So once again, our phone number is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We buy houses fast for cash in Mineral Ridge, in surrounding areas, and we're going to treat you fair like a neighbor should treat another neighbor. So once again, my name is Dave. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.